Hi everybody! Let's just start the reading training with me today. Did you solve the actual capturing race question today? Now this is the question that you can see quite often in your actual game. So now black must capture these white two stones, and there are many methods for first move. Now you can think around the 3 steps, something like this. Yeah, we can follow from A. If you are just playing A, of course white is not gonna surround like this, then black can capture. White must block here, and now this one stone is in trouble. If you just save here, then white can win for this capturing race. And something like this. Yeah, now black is failed already. If your level is stronger, maybe you may have a question. Then I think white can even play here. That's right. Now this is better for point. White can get much more point. So now what black can do that is Hane here. Black's best answer is making ko. This ko or this way is also ko. But you know this ko is very risky. Already black is losing a lot of point. So now I cannot say this is correct. So what we have to think about is B. B is the Tatsuji. I'm not sure how we are calling in English, but in Korea we are saying like this is called the tummy attach at the tummy. Yeah, because now this is like a a person. We are saying tummy attach. So now after you attach here, if white is going out here, we don't have to surround from here. If you surround here, then it's not gonna be possible. White can just capture these 2 stones, and black has surround from outside. And when white has played here, now this one here, we don't have to answer anything. White can just capture these 3 stones. So now black can do this way here and try to feed 1 stone, but white can just ignore. Now there are many capturing, right? If there are more capturing, then your reading will be more difficult. You will have the trouble of your reading. So now after you read here, then 3 was not working. 3 you can just play here. If you know the correct answer, always question is quite easy. But main point is we have to know before we are putting the stone. So if white surround here, the black is faster for 1 liberty. Then how about here? Then you might try C as well. Then what about C? Maybe you might think about white to block, then you want to cut here. If white cut here, then black is faster for the capturing race. So now white has to play here, and black can play here. You can win this capturing race. Yeah, obviously. If white has played here, then you can capture. Even though you are losing some point, then you can win. Then what was the matter? Because white answer was wrong. White can... let me think. White, now there is a stone, that's why even it might work. Let me think. If white is strange here, black has to push when white has play here. Okay. Black has to play here. Especially this time here is working. If white is playing here, if black must block, then now this is working for white, something like this. But black has a good move. Black doesn't have to respawn and black can just connect here. Then white best answer should be, this capturing race is not okay. So now white must Hane. Now this is Sente. White can make such kind of a little bit dirty call. Yeah, dirty call. But anyway, it's call. And even though white doesn't make call, something like this, already black lost many points compared to correct one. So now, and that reason is because of the that 1 stone position. If this 1 stone is a little bit different position, something like this, already this is not working because white plays here, same as just now. Black has a no other way. Black cannot play from here, and black must push. And when I go here, you can't press something like this. Still white is winning, and black has to play here. And when we play here, as I told you, black cannot do 7. White is winning for this fighting. So now black must connect here. But the point is now white can make 1 time Sente. Black was supposed to block here, but now this is not working. White will get trouble. No, black will get trouble. So black must step back, but now white is winning for this fighting. So now, anyway, in this situation, C can be possible to catch, but anyway, white can make dirty call, even white can just get some more points, so I can't say this is correct. So most of the time in your actual game, you must play B. Alright? Yes. So now, if you find the correct answer, then I can say your Tetsuji skill is good. So, sorry about it. today I prepare quite difficult question, most of the question, because you haven't had the training with me for a long time. So I believe that your reading was improved, so you can think longer for today's question. Maybe you may complain to me, I don't think this is hard. I can just see in 1 second. I can find correct answer in 1 second. After then you have to read it detailedly. If white is just black here, black can connect. Now it was your plan, right? But you have to read again. Something was wrong. When you answer here, black connect here, which means this was the vital point. And then black is gonna capture. And can you find a good move now? If white is just black here, this is gonna be call, one step call. Black can have a better call. Black even doesn't have to play, and still that's call. So now white has a much better move. White can just get one eye here. Because now white get one eye, even black plays here, then white can surround from outside. So now even this is not call, black is just dead. When black hane, you can just step back, right? So now it doesn't work. Then still I want to have a reading training with you, because now 3 was wrong. Then 3 also can make amazing move. When you capture white has played here, so which means this is a vital point what you have to do. Then if white is surrounding, then black is winning for this capturing race. So which means now white must capture this one stone and black can make call. Right? Yes. So now I can say if you hane, white the best answer is here, black has to invade, and this is gonna be call. And then you can return with number 1. When you play here, white to put it inside, which means that's your vital point that you have to do here. You are finding correct like this. And then white to surround when you can just enjoy to surround. However, you are winning this fighting. Even though white is blocking here, you can just invade and your capturing race is faster than white. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So now after you read here, and you have to complete it this way, and then you can find out this one. Yes. Other than this, maybe if you are playing here, it seems quite aggressive. I didn't think about it. If white is playing here, then this is working, and if you are just surrounding here, this is working. Then what can white do that? White can, I found out already. White, you can enjoy to study as well. And white just has to hane. This is impossible. White is winning for this fighting. Black can't do anything. So which means black has to just block here. Now white can make call. Of course, this call is one step call. For better for black. But anyway, white has odds to make call. So now black lost something. At least a big place. Yes. So that's why this is not working. Yes. Okay, second question is the this one. This is not so difficult. I think you can, I believe that you found out in 1 second, but just I want to prepare for studying the basic strategy. Now these black stones are really in danger. So now in order to save that, you have to think about to capture these 2 stones. You may have a many feeling, and if your level is good enough, maybe you may find out in 1 second. Yeah. We can try to go step by step. If you just hane here, white can just hane, and even you try to push. If white is capturing this 1 stone, then this is working. Now you can capture this 2 stone already, even you don't have to answer. But point is white is not gonna play like that. White can just connect, and even you have a wedge, then white can punish black. So now it doesn't work. Then what about something else? If you keep trying to play knight move, then white can try to just connect. Even you make all the sente, then you can't cut those white group. White can capture this black. Now it's impossible. Capturing race is not enough. So now how about another one? If you press from here, then however I can just go out, then you can't capture this 2 stone. Even you have a wedge, then white cannot tarry. So black must use the amazing Tetsuji. Black has to play here. Yeah, this is the Tetsuji. Now if white is going out, you can just capture easily. So you have to read this way. In this situation, you have to be careful. You must not save your 1 stone. Otherwise, white can just go out here. Then even you try to Atari. I'm not gonna save this 1 stone. Then this is leather, but I will just ignore. And when you just capture here, this is became life and death. So always capturing race between life and death is mixed. We have to study both of them. and white can just press from outside when black is making bigger, press outside, and here, something like that. Of course, you can even play 10 from the upper side, here and this way. This is also okay. So now, what about black plays here? Then now even you have a two method. Even you can invade first and try to play here. Black can't get one more eye. Yeah, even you can connect. And even black plays here, then this is gonna be fake eye. So it doesn't work. So now, however, you shouldn't save. Then you must beat this group. This was your target that you have to capture. Atari, and when he capture, and then you can Atari here. Then this is became leather. When white is saved, then black can just keep press like this. Yeah, something like this. So this question, I can't say it was difficult. I just prepared for you the studying the basic Tatsuji and even the Q player. Yeah, so now if you found out, your Tatsuji feeling is really good. Okay, next one is this one. This is really difficult. Please study slowly. Okay, you must stop this video first. And now you must capture this white. Which means white has played here. He is asking me whether I want to connect here. And then he wants to make one more eye. You must stop, okay? This one you cannot, normally it's not easy to solve in 1 second. If you can solve that, then your level is really high level. So now when white plays here, then you can't break this eye. Even you put it here, the white can get one more eye. We can't break this way as well. So now, which means white is hoping black to break here. Then you know now this is gonna be sente. Because if black doesn't play here, we can't capture. Black must play at the 7. But after this, white just tried to push and cut, and then this is a capturing race. But somehow this capturing race the condition is not okay for black. At least this is seki if white doesn't do anything, something like this, it's seki. And the point is white can even try to make ko, and this ko is happy for white. Black can't fight. So now it's impossible to capture. So you must connect here. You must break this eye as well. What can you do that? Did you find it correct? Okay, then I'm gonna tell you. You don't have to do anything in this area. Okay, now even white has played here, then you can just hane here. White cannot get any eye here. It's gonna be fake eye. So now what you have to break is this way. Now this is that you have to break. So now you have to catch up the timing. You must put it inside first. Good move, right? It's really good. If white connect here, then still you can catch up the timing. And even white try to push and cut. Now we can catch up the timing to capture these 5 stones. So now what about white just capture? Then even though you just connect here, you already break this eye. You made the fake eye. So now white can't do anything. And other than this, here, then you can cut here. Yeah. So this is a bit high quality Tatsuji. So it was really not easy to see in the actual game. Yeah. But if you are keep training, one day you are going to see that if you keep having the training for a long time with me. Okay. Then last one is your homework, and this is quite difficult because there are many first feeling. So I want you to keep have a training with this question. Just like there are many questions, many first feelings, something like this. Maybe around 3 to 4. It can be more. Yeah, if you have other feeling, then of course you can read as well. You can read. You have to read as much as possible. So after black play first move, then you have to keep trying to find out the white best answer as well. And I'm gonna check tomorrow whether you calculate perfectly or not. Okay, then today we can study until now. And did you enjoy this video? If you think it was useful, please like and subscribe for my channel. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow, everybody. Please training for this question, and see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.